So another cracking baby here, Pioneer Pigeons. This is a single breed young bird from Dartagian 436, Pioneer Dartagian 436, who's a son of Dartagian, Francois, when paired to Pioneer double Romee, and she's a double granddaughter of the Romee pigeon. He's a lovely single bred young bird. Again, mixing, crossing the families. I'll quickly show you the parents. These are the parents here. Two cracking birds. She's the double Romee pigeon, and he's the son of Dartagian. So yeah, exciting times. Let's see what they do. Catch you later.